Hello. Today we are going to learn it's like how to find the cube root of any number by the trick. If we have like a perfect cube, then it's easy to find by this trick. But I will also talk about if we don't have any perfect cube, then how can we find it without doing long calculations. So for suppose we have this number 343 and we have to find the perfect we already know that this is the cube of 7, because when we have to find the cube root of any number, we always try to learn the cubes of first 9 or first 10 digits. That is, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, so on. That is, 9 cube is 729. That's how we know that its answer is 7. But what if the digits are like 3375, 2744? Then it's tough to remember these kind of cubes. So what we will do, we will make a triplet. So in this number already we have only one triplet, that is 343. So we will focus on the last number, that is the units place, that is 3. So look at the cubes of these 1 to 9 numbers. In these numbers, in which place the last units place is 3? In 1? No, it's not 3. There is no 3. There is no 3. But here the units place is 3. And 343 is cube of which number? 7. Again repeating. When we have to make triplet, when we are making the triplet, we will focus on the last number 3. And this 3 should be the unit place of one of the numbers given in this. And if we go from above, we find that units place 3 comes here, and it is the cube of which number? 7. So its answer is 7. Similarly here, triplet is 216 and the last number is 6. If we look at the numbers, the units place is coming here, which is 6, and its answer is 6. Okay, so far so good. Now what if the number is like this, 3375? Start making triplet from the right hand side. 375 and the number left behind is 3. So ignore just this 3, we focus on 375. The last number is 5. So units place should be 5 in among these numbers. So yeah, this number 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is cube of which number? 5. So 5. Our remaining number is 3. And this 3, what's the trick to find this number, like the number in front of 5? That the number left behind it is 3. 3 comes here among which numbers? Like 3 comes here in between 1 and 8, right? And in between 1 and 8, which is the smallest number? 1. And 1 is a cube of 1. So answer will be 15. Again repeating. First, we will make the triplets from the right hand side. Now, first triplet is 375. We will focus on the unit digits 5. And the unit digit 5 is coming here. And the 1 to 5 is cube of 5. So units place will be 5. For finding the tens place, the number left behind in 3375 is 3. So 3 is coming between 1 and 8. And between 1 and 8, the smallest number is 1. And 1 is a cube of 1. So answer will be 15. Similarly, let's suppose we have 2744. So 744, the last number is 4 and 4 is coming here. 64 is a cube of 4. So here it comes 4. The number left behind is 2. So 2 comes between 1 and 8. Smaller number is 1 and 1 is cube of 1. So here comes 1. So far so good. Okay. Now coming to this number, this much bigger number. Now we get proper 2 triplets. Okay. 649. The last number is 9. 9 is coming here, and here this cube of 9. Okay. 117. Here 117 is coming between 64 and 125. The smallest number is 64. 64 is a cube of 4, so it will be 49. Okay, so as we see, in between 1 to 5 numbers, like in first question, second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question, we get the perfect cubes. But what if we don't have a perfect cube? Because already we are saying after 64 the perfect cube is 1 to 5, so 69 is not a perfect cube. So what's the way of finding this cube without doing long calculations? So what we can do, we can just focus on the perfect cube before it, like closer to it. So closer to 69, the perfect cube is 64, and 64 for 64 the answer is the perfect 64 is the perfect cube of 4. So 4 point. So obviously it is not a perfect cube, so it will be in decimal form. So what after 4? So there should be numbers after decimal point. So what's the way of calculating these after decimal points? What we will do, we will just focus on. So what we will do, see, the number we have to find is 69. So 69 minus the number which is closer to 69 is 64 upon the number here, that is the cube root, the cube, that is 3, multiply the number which is before decimal 4, and always like this is a rule that we have to square it. Like this is the permanent, denominator is permanent in every when there is not a perfect cube, and when we have to find after decimal numbers, this denominator is permanent. What is not denominator is permanent except this number, except this 4, this power, and this 3 is permanent. I will show you the calculations where 4 doesn't come. And the numerator, how it come, the number, the quotient 69, and the number closer to it, that is a perfect cube, that is 64. So if we calculate this, we come with 5 upon 3 into 16. So it becomes 0.01041. So here it will be 0.01041. So answer of 69 perfect cube is this. If we can check it also, it will be like it's a approx number. Okay, after 1 or 0, dates may be varied. It's an approximate answer. Okay, so if we go further, like if we have to find the number, for suppose 126, let's say. Okay, so 126 is closer to 125, and 125 perfect cube is, so it's perfect cube of 5. Okay, now in your calculations, what we will do, first the quotient minus the number closer to it, which is a perfect cube, upon 3, multiply, it was a perfect cube of 5 raised to power 2, so it will become this. When solving this, we will get 1.75, and when we will solve this, we will get 0.0133. So answer of cube root of 126 is 5.0133. Again, it's an approximate answer. So yeah, this is the way.